My name is Alexander and I go to Discoskolen in Denmark, in Gentofte. So I'm going to talk about why I like Discoskolen. So I think it's one of the best schools in Denmark because the teachers support your independent way of thinking, and it really likes when you think creative. So they put you in a lot of projects that challenges your creativity. And in Denmark it's also free to study, and after the gymnasium, I'm gonna go to the university, and when I get there, I'm probably gonna take a semester or two in England actually. So, I also heard that the schools in England are much more strict than the schools in Denmark, with the uniforms, first names, and from what I've heard from my English friends, it seems a lot more strict than the ones in Denmark. So yeah. So when I'm done with school in every day, and I get home, I go on Xbox to talk with my friends from England, US, Canada, etc. To socialize and of course play video games. And no, it's not like Xbox is the only media I use to talk with people. I also use sites like Twitter, Reddit, Tumblr, so on, to find new people, talk with them, get to know them, and become friends with them, and start talking with them, of course. So, English has been a big part of my life for my whole life. I love to speak English and write English, and since I was little, I've been playing video games and watching series which either had English subtitles, descriptions, or languages on English. So since I was little, I was kind of forced into learning English at a very young age, which made me pretty good at it. And today that has made me pretty interested in using it, and I'm pretty sure I actually use it more than Danish actually. So I would like to go on this trip because that I find the English culture and humor really funny and interesting. And oh yeah, also if I'm sure that my English friends would love to hear that I've been there and ask me what I think of England. And of course, after I've been on the trip, I would love to answer anybody who would ask me how it's been in England, of course. So yeah, that's why I want to go to England. Thank you for listening.